Hello everyone, our team is Harvest Dashboard. My name is Leslie Amesma and my team will introduce themselves.
I'm Mario.
I'm Adrian.
And I'm Ben.
So a little bit about Food Origins. Food Origins is a startup who is incorporating technology into agriculture through hardware devices. Their main goal is to pass data via the cloud and provide information regarding the progress and velocity of the harvest, as well as the density of the product in the fields. At the moment, growers like real-time information about their harvest because growers, they communicate through phone calls of the management of the deployment of hundreds of people.
So a solution to this problem was to come up with a web application dashboard that allows the growers to track the progress of the field. For example, the dashboard has a map with plotted points that represents the position of each scan. Also, as data is being collected from the field, we can perform statistical operations on that data. For instance, the dashboard has a graph that is updated in real time and displays the distance between each scan, thus allowing us to calculate the average speed of the workers. With this information in hand, the grower will have a better estimated time as to when the field will be completed. The grower will then be able to plan ahead and utilize the resources more efficiently.
So for our approach, we made an API in Node.js that transfers the scan data between the front end and the database. And on the field, the harvesters will collect crates of strawberries, and when they're done, they scan the crate, which inserts it into the database along with the time that it was scanned and the coordinates it was scanned at. And the API has two main services. There's the map service that lets you create maps of the user's fields based off the scan coordinates. And the Harvest API lets you calculate statistics of the field, like the average time to harvest a crate. And so the front end is made with React.js, and it calls the API and gives it the user ID. And the API will collect the user scans and calculate the maps and statistics, and then return it to the front end. And then the front end displays it to the user.
So I'm sure some of you are wondering what this actually looks like. So here we have a diagram illustrating the operational flow of our system. As we can see, the first step begins when a worker harvests, packages, and scans a box of strawberries. The initial scan sends information regarding the scan to our database through our server. Utilizing this information works in a similar way. Our front end, the site the user actually views, grabs this information from our server through our database. You may have also noticed we have 3 servers. This was a design choice we made because we felt that in a real-world scenario, these would be on separate machines, so this reduces the workload from on a single server to several servers. And here's a screenshot of our web app actually in action. We want to give a thank you to our mentor, Ali Assad, and if you have any questions, please find us at our poster. Thank you.